What's up, everybody? Welcome to, make sure I got it right, 7269 room tour here. So this is what they call an ocean suite. We've stayed in these before, and we enjoy these rooms. Okay, this is our second time on the Glory. You don't care about my biography here. You want to look at the room. I'm here to show you the room. So as you walk in, excuse my mess, I just got in here 3 minutes ago. 3 minutes ago. I know this. As you walk in the room, this is what you look. I enjoy the decor here. Right? With the glass, the mirrors, lots of mirrors, makes the room look big. Right? So, let's take a look at the bathroom here. Okay, before we look at everything else, let's just kind of go in order. This is what they call vanity. Yeah, vanity. That's what I was looking at. And I was trying to figure out the word. Sorry. We have a closet right here. Okay, bring your own hangers. I think usually, if not, I think before we've had to double up. Yeah. So yeah, I think you got plenty of room. That's what I love about these rooms, guys. These rooms, there's plenty of room for everything. There's even more inside. I love the layout of these rooms. I can't get enough of it. Can't get enough. Anyways, we have, the only problem is, especially with this older ship, you only have that plug-in right there. You got, no, not right there. Here we go. Make sure I got it on camera. Some drawers, got a hair dryer. I don't need that. See, I don't need a hair dryer, but my wife does. Anyways, yeah, lots of cabinet or drawer spaces, and here's your bathroom. Double sinks. Double sinks. And everybody loves the shower situation / bathtub. So yeah, got plenty of stuff. There is no plug-in. I thought we had a plug-in in here. I thought we did. We don't have a plug-in in here. They have some like European something. So anyway, I'm not European. I'm from Texas. Anyway, another plug-in right here. This is, I think, the only two you have. Oh, they do have USBs. Okay, all right, they do. Some switches right here. Right here should be your fridge. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It is the fridge. It is the fridge. Oh, I'm not showing you. I'm showing you me. Look, look. Oh, here we go. Here we go. The fridge. The fridge. There. Trying to be professional YouTuber here, but I'm failing. More USB ports. Okay. Right there. All right. This is what I love about this room, guys. This room is so awesome because I'm going to tell you something. You have plenty of places to put everything. Plenty of places to put a lot of stuff. More drawer spaces right here. More drawers. Even deeper. Even deeper. There's 4 of them there. And look here. Even more closet space. Yes. Yes. You have more closet space. That's something that you will get absolute used to. And you go to a regular room, you get spoiled. You get spoiled. You go to a regular room, you don't want to, you have no, like a regular stateroom, you don't have this much storage and all that. These couches are somewhat comfortable. They're okay. All right, they're okay. All right. And there's your king size bed. These do split apart. Okay, so say if you're 2 people cruising, but you're kind of like don't want to be next to each other, they do split apart. All right. More USB. more USB, see? So you can charge your phone, cameras up at night. Same thing on this side. Same thing on this side. And this is what I love about this room too. You can put crap right there. You can put crap right there. Okay? You can put crap, whatever. And all that. So let's take a look outside. Take a look outside right here on the Carnival Glory. Wrong way, Ike. There we go. This right here is your balcony. So you'll have two chairs right here and a little table. Then on this side you have a chair that kind of leans back a little bit. So you don't have a lounger in here on this one, at least not now. So I know sometimes we've had loungers. We've had loungers on our decks. So anyway, if you look down when we're at sea, you will see water. You know, a lot of ships, a lot of the, you know, Dreams and Vistas, you know, those class ships, you'll have like a deck that you could sit here and people watch. Well, not on this ship, no people watching, but you can watch dolphins, flying fish, the water. So yeah, this is our second time on the Glory, that's for sure. So anyway, hopefully you guys got a little something out of it. And remember this light right here, it's a light. At night, turn it off. If you're not using this light at night, turn it off. Because some of us like to sleep with our windows open, or our curtains open. So when you have next door neighbors that have their lights on, it comes in, right? So only use this light when you need to, okay? You know, just be courteous, that's all. Anyways, I'm waiting on my wife to board. She's with her sister. And oh yeah, I forgot an important thing. I do have a TV. Yeah, I do have a TV. So, I don't care about the TV. Most of the time, my TV's off. I don't care about the TV. So yeah, plenty of mirror spaces. You know, so you can look at yourself like all the time. You can't hide from yourself. You just can't do it. So hopefully this answered your question about what this room is. I love these rooms. I do. My wife loves it even more because of all the closet space. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching Blue Collar Cruising. We'll see you next time. 73.